at the brick wall in 3, 2, 1, throw it.
Oh! What the frick? Sigma boy. What happened? Can you even see his face?
Come on, let's start in the air. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Face review. No.
Okay, now we're gonna throw him at the basketball. 3, 2, 1, throw.
Oh! He got a big belly.
This is the last one we're gonna be throwing at. Next, we're gonna be throwing him across the street. Last one. This is the grand finale in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
So died. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Otherwise, it's Rachel Escape be in your bed tonight.
Yeah. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.